So I decided to do some high wind flying practice in a fairly turbulent day. The wind in Lincoln Park was 11 knots, gusting to 19, coming from 330 degrees, which translates to roughly 12 knots crosswind, as I was using runway 1. Coming from Republic, my landing in Lincoln Park was not that great, so I decided to do a quick touch and go before heading back to Republic. It was a pretty challenging day for me, given that the high winds and moderate turbulence. By the time I landed in Republic, the wind picked up and was gusting to 30 knots. Lots of fun. I should also add that the runway I'm using is 40 feet wide, which is the narrowest runway I've ever landed on so far. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Airspeed is alive. Good. Roll. Sound effect. Oh, it's really, woo! Unbelievable. Lincoln Park traffic, Cherokee, let's cross with for runway 1, Cherokee, Lincoln Park traffic. Yeah, forget it. Oh. Okay, now I gotta... Lincoln Park traffic, Cherokee, left downwind, runway 1. Lincoln Park traffic.
272 Delta wind speed, 5 miles to the northeast, southwest bound at 1,300 feet, liquid.
Okay. Lincoln Park traffic, Cherokee, left downwind. Pretty smooth landing considering the turbulence and crosswind. However, I don't know if you noticed, but there was a mistake there. I put the full power before retracting the flaps. So, well, live and learn. Lincoln Park traffic, Cherokee. Departed runway 1, heading northeast. Lincoln Park traffic. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. It's unbelievable. Oh my goodness.